Okay, so here we are. We've got a job to do, and we're at Make a Camp. We're trying to pick up the log and put it into the truck. So go ahead. So he's putting down the legs to stabilize the truck. Great. And then he's turning. Great. Then now, yeah, put it in neutral. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, if you want to turn this, you can turn this here, and it'll change the direction that's positioned. See, like that. Okay, perfect. And you open the jaws. Great. Now, you want to move out of the way, and then I know it's your turn, but we got distracted. Okay. So now lower. Lower the arm. Nice. Kind of hard to see from that side, huh? Nice, nice. Okay, now you can close the jaws. Good job, good job. Okay. Now raise the arm. Direction, direction. There you go. Maybe you need to do it in this direction. Let's turn it that way. There you go. Nice. Oh, do the other way. No, not on that one. The flip this switch in the other direction. Nice. Nice. Ooh. So much fun. So much fun. Okay, you're in position now. You forgot to stop it. Now you need to go backwards. How do you go backwards? This one needs to go this way. So it's this switch and it's this. You flip that. Great. Now stop, stop. Okay, good. Alright, the top one. Nice job. Okay. Lower. Lower. Good job. Good job. Oh, awesome. So now open. Open the jaws. Oh, wait. Before you open the jaws, wait. If you open the jaws there, it'll probably fall off, right? So let's raise it up again and bring it in a bit. That side to do the raising. Try the other direction. No. Try this. Try flipping it this way. There you go. Now flip it again. Flip it again to bring the arm closer. Flip the other direction.
Para atrás, como te digo. No, esa ya. Para atrás.
He's looking at the gear. Other one. Oh, so maybe what we need to do is flip this and then do the other one again. To lower this part. Is it getting a little closer? A little closer? Not really close enough though. Still hanging off. Okay. Alright, you want to open the jaws? Then we'll get 3 people to push it in from the back.
I know.
That's okay.
No,
That's fine. That's fine. Now raise it up.
Ahora quítalo.
Now raise it up. Okay. Nice. Good job. Good job. Pretty awesome. Nice. All right. Do you know what to do? Okay, go ahead.
No, ya lo hagas.
It's okay. Let her do it.
Déjala.
Okay.
Dale, Itzi.
Dale.
Muévelo ahí. Fíjate
Just
que-
try out the levers and see what they do. Okay, that goes down. Okay.
Espérate.
All right. Now, if you want to make it go up, what do you do?
Espérate, hija.
Try flipping it this way.
Ángel, déjala.
Oh, let's do the intro. And up,
Arriba. Okay.
down,
Arriba.
and up.
Okay, ya.
Okay, now put it down and leave it down. Put it down and leave it down. How do you say that? Abajo? Abajo.
Okay.
And then now we turn it, that's neutral. Okay, now let's raise the arms. Come on over here to raise the arms. Now I forget which direction is raising. So just try it and see. Flip it one way and let's see what happens. Okay, that's coming up, it looks like, I think. Okay, now flip it this way. Okay, then let's do this way. Okay, now try it. No, I did it already. Now flip this one. Anyway, try the other direction now. Okay, good, that's working. Okay, stop, even, put it in neutral. Okay, right. Now let's go over here on this side and flip this one over there, and then let's turn it on and see where it goes. Okay, that goes in that direction, but our log is over here, so, okay. You want to help it? Okay. So stop. Okay. All right. There. Perfect alignment. So let's turn this. You want to turn it so that it'll be able to pick up the log?
Aquí. Ahí. Dale otra vez. Poquito. Este tiene que quedar aquí para que lo agarre. A ver, voltealo.
It goes like
Dale.
this.
Este. Poquito. Ahí.
Okay, now let's lower it. Come on over here to lower it. Okay, now I forget how to lower it, but let's turn it on and see which direction it'll go. That's raising, so put it back over here. And let's do it over this way, and then let's lower it. Now try it. Switch it. Okay, moving on down. Woo! Okay. If you want to move the other one, you can switch it in this direction. See? Okay, that's as far as that goes. Okay. All right, go close the mouth. Let's close the jaws. Over here. Okay. Oh, we're not low enough. Let's lower it down a little bit more. How do we do that? I forget which one. There. Okay, now close it. Wait. This one to close it. Turn this one. Turn that.
¿Sí?
The other way. Esta dirección. Okay. Bien.
Dale,
Oh,
close.
no, that's the wrong direction. I'm telling you the wrong thing.
Fíjate, hija.
Is it? I don't know. Is it
Because
closing or isn't it? This is jammed up.
Okay. Dale, Excel.
What's happening? Oh, look at the mess we're creating. Oh no! All right, try it now.
Escucha cuando te diga
This way?
Yeah. Looking good, right? All right, good job. Now let's lift it up. So over here to lift it up. Okay, let's turn it on. Which way is on? Okay. Now try it and let's see if it's in the right direction. I don't know. Try it and see. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh, nice. Ooh, okay.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's do this way and see what happens. Okay, good. Okay, put it in neutral, even, like this. Okay, now let's go over on that side. And I think it's in this direction. Push it that way. Yeah. Nice. Going. Okay, good job. Stop. Oh, we said in, great. Now let's turn this one. Come over here and turn this. Can you reach? I know. Okay. Okay. Oh, great. Now turn this to make it go down. Is it up? Is it on up? Okay, so let's do it this way. So the yellow is down and the black is up. Okay, now do the other way. Other way. Nice. Good job. Good job. You win the game. Woo! Nice job. Look at me. Look at me. Thumbs up. Woo! All right. Good job.